Starting a business is an exciting journey, but it requires careful planning and preparation. A well-structured business plan is your roadmap to success, guiding you through each stage of launching and growing your enterprise. In this video, we'll walk you through the essential steps of creating a business plan based on the International Labor Organization's Start Your Business (SYB) program. Whether you're a first-time entrepreneur or looking to improve your business skills, this guide will help you understand the key elements needed to turn your business idea into a reality. Let's begin by exploring what a business plan is and why it's so important for your entrepreneurial journey. Start Your Business (SYB) program is a management training initiative developed by the International Labor Organization. Its main goal is to help aspiring entrepreneurs develop the skills and knowledge needed to start and run successful small businesses. The SYB program is part of a larger family called Start and Improve Your Business (SIYB), which has reached millions of people in over 100 countries. Through a combination of practical training, real-world examples, and hands-on exercises, SYB empowers individuals to create detailed business plans and test their ideas in a safe environment. This approach ensures that entrepreneurs are well prepared to face the challenges of the business world. Business plan is more than just a document. It's a strategic tool that helps you clarify your business idea, set goals, and map out the steps needed to achieve them. It allows you to identify your target market, understand your competition, and plan your finances. With a solid business plan, you can anticipate potential challenges and develop strategies to overcome them. Investors and lenders often require a business plan before providing funding, making it an essential part of your entrepreneurial toolkit. By following the SYB approach, you'll learn how to create a business plan that is practical, realistic, and tailored to your unique business idea. Executive summary is the first section of your business plan, but it's often written last. It provides a concise overview of your entire plan, highlighting the key points such as your business idea, target customers, products or services, and your motivation for starting the business. This section should capture the reader's attention and give them a clear understanding of what your business is all about. Think of it as your business's elevator pitch: short, compelling, and informative. A strong executive summary sets the tone for the rest of your business plan and encourages readers to learn more about your venture. At the heart of every successful business is a strong, clear idea. In this section, you'll define what your business will do, the products or services you'll offer, and the needs you aim to satisfy for your customers. Consider what makes your idea unique and how it stands out from the competition. Identifying your target customers and understanding their preferences is crucial. This clarity will guide your decisions as you move forward and help you communicate your vision to others, including potential partners and investors. Take the time to refine your business idea until it's both feasible and compelling. Market research is a critical step in developing your business plan. It involves gathering information about your potential customers, competitors, and the overall market environment. By understanding who your customers are and what they need, you can tailor your products or services to meet their expectations. Analyzing your competitors helps you identify gaps in the market and opportunities for differentiation. Market research also provides valuable insights into pricing, distribution channels, and promotional strategies. With this knowledge, you'll be better equipped to make informed decisions and position your business for success. Comprehensive marketing plan outlines how you will promote and sell your products or services. It covers the 4Ps: product, price, place, and promotion. Start by describing your products or services in detail, including their features and benefits. Next, determine the pricing strategy that reflects both your costs and what customers are willing to pay. Decide where and how you will sell your offerings, whether through direct sales, retail, or online channel. Finally, plan your promotional activities such as advertising, sales promotions, and public relations. A well-thought-out marketing plan helps you reach your target audience and achieve your sales goals. A product strategy focuses on what you are offering to the market. This includes the quality, design, packaging, and any certifications that may be required. Think about how your product or service meets the needs of your customers and how it compares to what competitors are offering. Consider ways to differentiate your product, such as unique features, superior quality, or innovative packaging. A strong product strategy not only attracts customers but also builds brand loyalty and sets the foundation for your marketing efforts. Setting the right price for your products or services is crucial for your business's success. Your pricing strategy should consider the costs of production, competitor prices, and what your target customers are willing to pay. You may also decide to offer discounts or credit to certain customers as part of your sales strategy. Clearly explain the reasons behind your pricing decisions, including any discounts or credit terms. A well-defined pricing strategy helps you remain competitive while ensuring your business remains profitable. Location of your business can have a significant impact on its success. When selecting a location, consider factors such as accessibility for customers, proximity to suppliers, and the cost of rent or purchase. Explain why you chose this particular location and how it supports your business goals. Also, outline the monthly costs associated with the location and what those costs include, such as utilities or maintenance. Strategic location can help you attract more customers and operate more efficiently. You deliver your products or services to customers is a key part of your business plan. Distribution methods can include direct sales, retail, wholesale, or other channels. Explain why you chose your distribution method and how it aligns with your business objectives. Consider the costs involved and how your chosen method will help you reach your target market effectively. The right distribution strategy ensures your products are available where and when your customers need them. Promoting your business is essential for attracting customers and building brand awareness. Your promotion plan should include a mix of direct marketing, sales promotions, advertising, and publicity. Outline the total costs associated with your promotional activities and how you plan to measure their effectiveness. Effective promotion helps you communicate your value proposition and stand out in a crowded marketplace. Remember to tailor your promotional strategies to your target audience for the best results. Your team is one of your most valuable assets. In this section, describe the key positions in your business, the criteria for recruiting staff, and your training plans. Clearly define the roles and responsibilities of each team member and the skills required for each position. Investing in the right people and providing ongoing training ensures your business operates smoothly and can adapt to changing market conditions. A strong team is essential for delivering excellent customer service and achieving your business goals. Documenting your business processes helps ensure consistency and efficiency in your operations. Outline the key steps involved in delivering your products or services, from sourcing materials to final delivery. Describe any systems or procedures you have in place to maintain quality and manage workflow. Well-defined processes make it easier to train new staff, monitor performance, and identify areas for improvement. This section demonstrates your commitment to operational excellence and customer satisfaction. Physical evidence refers to the tangible elements that support your brand and reassure customers of your business's credibility. This can include your office premises, interior decoration, packaging, signage, employee uniforms, business cards, and even your website. Each of these elements should reflect your brand identity and contribute to a positive customer experience. Paying attention to physical evidence helps build trust and sets your business apart from competitors. Estimating your sales is a crucial part of your business plan. This involves projecting how much you expect to sell each month, based on your market research and marketing plan. Consider factors such as seasonality, market trends, and your promotional activities. Accurate sales estimates help you plan your production, manage inventory, and forecast revenue. Regularly reviewing and updating your sales projections ensures your business stays on track and can respond to changes in the market. Clear organization structure defines how your business is managed and who is responsible for each task. List the key positions in your company, such as managers, supervisors, and staff, along with their roles and responsibilities. This structure helps ensure accountability and efficient decision-making. It also makes it easier to communicate expectations and monitor performance. A well-organized team is essential for achieving your business objectives and supporting growth. Understanding your staffing needs and associated costs is vital for budgeting and planning. Identify the number of staff required, their roles, and the skills needed for each position. Calculate the monthly pay, contributions to pension funds, health insurance, and other benefits. Summing up these costs gives you a clear picture of your total staff expenses. Proper planning ensures you have the right team in place while managing your payroll efficiently. Selecting the right legal structure for your business is an important decision. Common options include sole proprietorship, partnership, cooperative, or limited company. Each form has its own advantages and implications for ownership, liability, and taxation. Clearly state the legal form you've chosen and explain your reasons. This decision affects how your business is managed, how profits are shared, and your personal liability for business debt. Every business must comply with certain legal requirements, such as obtaining licenses, paying taxes, and following employment regulations. List the licenses and permits your business needs, the applicable taxes, and any other legal responsibilities. Also consider the types of insurance required to protect your business, such as liability or property insurance. Staying compliant with legal requirements helps you avoid penalties and ensures your business operates smoothly. Accurately calculating the cost of your products is essential for setting prices and managing profitability. For manufacturers and service operators, this involves identifying all variable and fixed costs per item. Variable costs include materials and labor, while fixed costs cover expenses like rent and equipment depreciation. Use a product costing form to break down these costs and determine the total cost per item. This information helps you set competitive prices and maintain healthy profit margins. Retailers and wholesalers also need to understand the costs associated with each product they sell. This includes the purchase price, transportation, storage, and any other related expenses. By using a product costing form, you can calculate the total cost per item and determine the markup needed to achieve your desired profit. Accurate costing ensures you remain competitive while covering all your expenses. Fixed costs are expenses that do not change with the level of production or sales, such as rent, salaries, and insurance. Use a fixed cost form to list all your monthly fixed costs and calculate the total. Understanding your fixed costs is important for budgeting and determining your break-even point. Keeping these costs under control helps improve your business's financial stability. Depreciation is the process of allocating the cost of equipment and other long-term assets over their useful life. Use a depreciation form to estimate the annual and monthly depreciation for each piece of equipment. This helps you accurately reflect the true cost of using these assets in your business and plan for future replacements. Including depreciation in your cost calculations ensures your pricing and profit estimates are realistic. Variable costs change with the level of production or sales, such as raw materials, packaging, and direct labor. Use a variable cost form to calculate the total variable cost per month for each product. This information is essential for managing your production process, setting prices, and maximizing profitability. Monitoring variable costs helps you identify opportunities for cost savings and efficiency improvement. Monthly purchase form helps you track the quantity and cost of items purchased each month. This is especially important for managing inventory and controlling expenses. By recording your purchases, you can monitor spending, ensure you have enough stock to meet demand, and avoid overstocking. Effective inventory management supports smooth operations and helps maintain healthy cash flow. Sales plan outlines your expected sales for each product over a specific period, usually broken down by month. This helps you set targets, allocate resources, and measure performance. Include details such as sales volume, sales value, and pricing for each product. Regularly reviewing your sales plan allows you to adjust your strategies and stay on track to meet your business goals. Cost plan provides a detailed breakdown of all costs associated with producing and selling your products. This includes both variable and fixed costs as well as any other expenses. By mapping out your costs, you can identify areas where you can reduce spending and improve efficiency. A comprehensive cost plan is essential for maintaining profitability and supporting business growth. A profit plan shows how much profit you expect to make each month after accounting for all costs. It includes calculations for gross profit and net profit, helping you understand the financial health of your business. Use this plan to set realistic profit targets and monitor your progress. Regularly updating your profit plan ensures you can respond quickly to changes in sales or expenses. Managing cash flow is critical for the survival and growth of your business. A cash flow plan tracks all cash coming in and going out each month, including sales, purchases, wages, and loan repayments. This helps you anticipate cash shortages and plan for future expenses. Maintaining a healthy cash flow ensures you can meet your financial obligations and invest in new opportunities as they arise. Calculating the amount of capital needed to start your business is a key step in your planning process. List all the investments required, such as premises, equipment, and working capital for inventory and expenses. Summing up these amounts gives you the total startup capital needed. Knowing your capital requirements helps you plan your financing and avoid running out of funds during the critical early stages of your business. Once you know how much capital you need, identify the sources of funding available to you. This can include owner's equity, loans, grants, or investments from others. Clearly state the amount from each source and ensure the total matches your required startup capital. Understanding your funding sources helps you plan repayments and manage your financial obligations effectively. If you plan to finance your business with a loan, it's important to create a repayment schedule. This should include the loan amount, interest rate, repayment period, and monthly installments. Also consider any insurance required for the loan. A clear repayment schedule helps you manage your cash flow and ensures you can meet your financial commitments without jeopardizing your business operations. Your business plan should be a living document that you update regularly as your business grows and market conditions change. Adapt your plan to reflect new opportunities, challenges, or changes in your business environment. This flexibility allows you to stay competitive and responsive to customer needs. Regularly reviewing and revising your business plan ensures it remains relevant and effective. SYB Manual and Business Plan Booklet are valuable tools for guiding you through the planning process. They provide templates, forms, and step-by-step instructions for each section of your business plan. Use these resources to organize your ideas, gather information, and ensure you cover all the essential elements. Following the SYB approach increases your chances of success and helps you build a solid foundation for your business. SYB program is delivered through a network of master trainers and trainers who provide expert guidance and support to entrepreneurs. Master trainers are responsible for training other trainers, who then work directly with business owners. This three-tier structure ensures high-quality training and consistent standards across the program. Accessing support from trained professionals can help you overcome challenges and make the most of the SYB resources. Before launching your business, it's important to test your business plan in a simulated environment. The SYB program encourages entrepreneurs to use case studies and practical exercises to identify potential problems and refine their strategies. This approach helps you build confidence, develop problem-solving skills, and ensure your plan is realistic and achievable. Testing your plan reduces risks and increases your chances of success. SYB Manual is the result of decades of experience and contributions from trainers, entrepreneurs, and experts around the world. Learning from the experiences of others can help you avoid common mistakes and adopt best practices. Take advantage of the collective knowledge available through the SYB network and apply these lessons to your own business journey. Successful businesses are always looking for ways to improve. Use your business plan as a tool for continuous improvement by regularly reviewing your performance, setting new goals, and implementing changes. The SYB approach encourages active learning and adaptation, helping you stay ahead in a competitive market. Embrace feedback and use it to refine your strategies and grow your business. In addition to the SYB manual, there are many other resources available to support your business journey. These include online courses, books, industry reports, and local business support organizations. Take advantage of these resources to expand your knowledge, connect with other entrepreneurs, and stay informed about the latest trends and opportunities in your industry. Building a strong network is essential for business success. Networking allows you to share ideas, gain advice, and access new opportunities. The SYB program connects you with a global community of entrepreneurs, trainers, and experts. Participate in workshops, seminars, and online forums to build relationships and learn from others. A supportive network can provide valuable insights and encouragement as you grow your business. Entrepreneurship can be challenging, but staying motivated is key to overcoming obstacles and achieving your goals. Remind yourself of your personal motivation for starting your business and celebrate your achievements along the way. Surround yourself with supportive people and seek inspiration from successful entrepreneurs. Maintaining a positive mindset helps you stay focused and resilient, even in tough times. Before launching your business, review your plan carefully to ensure all sections are complete and accurate. Seek feedback from mentors, trainers, or experienced entrepreneurs to identify any gaps or areas for improvement. Finalizing your plan gives you confidence and a clear sense of direction as you move forward. Remember, a strong business plan is your foundation for success. With your business plan in hand, you're ready to launch your business. Follow the steps outlined in your plan, monitor your progress, and be prepared to adapt as needed. Stay focused on your goals and use the tools and resources available to you. Launching a business is just the beginning. Continue learning, growing, and striving for excellence as you build your enterprise. Congratulations on taking the first steps towards starting your own business. By following the SYB approach and creating a comprehensive business plan, you've laid a strong foundation for success. Remember to keep your plan up to date, seek support when needed, and stay committed to your vision. The journey of entrepreneurship is full of learning and growth. Embrace the challenges and celebrate your achievements along the way. Good luck on your business adventure.